Cigarettes contain 600 different substances. Many of these substances are also found in cigars and hookahs. When you ignite these 600 substances in cigarettes, more than 7,000 chemicals are produced. Many of these substances are toxic, and about 69 of them can cause cancer. Side effects of smoking: increased heart disease and blood pressure, respiratory disease, lung cancer, leukemia, cervical cancer, preterm delivery, decreased fertility in men, diseases of the mouth, teeth and gums, decreased libido, destruction of central nerves, damage to skin, hair and nails, having type 2 diabetes, destruction and yellowing of teeth, premature menopause, problems with men's erections, weakening of the immune system, increased vision problems, increased blood clotting, osteoporosis, decreased sense of taste, bad breath, hearing loss, prostate cancer, abortion, irregular menstruation,